Welcome back to Auto Snuff, where we dig into all things automotive with passion, precision, and a chill vibe. Today, we're unveiling the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N, Hyundai N second high-performance EV, blending raw speed, aerodynamic prowess, and sophisticated tech into a sleek four-door package. The Ioniq 6N is not just another EV upgrade, it's a leap forward. With an electrified powertrain and N-tuned dynamics, it handles like a precision instrument on both street and track. It's quiet when it needs to be, but give it throttle and it roars to life. This is EV performance with serious edge. Hyundai injected pure performance DNA into the Ioniq 6N silhouette. It sports widened fenders, a commanding swan neck rear wing generating 220 pounds of downforce, and 20-inch Pirelli P0 tires specifically developed for this model. What's more, the DRL sit above sleeker headlights, while aerodynamic touches, like new bumpers, side skirts, and flared rocker panels, elevate both form and function. Inside, the Ioniq 6N blends comfort with race-ready flair. Expect N-branded buckets with Alcantara, a sporty steering wheel loaded with performance controls, and dual 12.3-inch displays customized for N modes. The cabin includes NE shift, ambient shift lighting cues, and generous track tools like N drift optimizer, N launch control, N grin boost, and N battery conditioning. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Ioniq 6N uses the same dual-motor AWD system as the Ioniq 5N. It generates 601 horsepower normally, but fires up to 641 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque when using the N-Grin boost for a short 10-second burst. That translates to a blistering 0 to 60 time at just 3.2 seconds and a top speed around 160 miles per hour. Braking is strong and composed thanks to 15.7-inch front and 14.1-inch rear rotors, paired with 4-piston front calipers and 20-inch track tires. The adaptive ECS dampers and refined chassis geometry give it razor-sharp handling and high-speed stability. The Ioniq 6N made its public debut at the 2025 Goodwood Festival of Speed and is expected to land in showrooms sometime in 2026. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but it's projected to start around $60,000, undercutting luxury rivals like the Lucid Air Sapphire. Range-wise, it uses the same 84 kilowatt-hour battery as the 5N, expected to deliver approximately 221 miles EPA or up to 291 miles WLTP. Fast charging is also ahead of the curve, 0 to 80% in just 18 minutes on a 350 kilowatts DC charger. Despite its performance credentials, the Ioniq 6N is surprisingly livable. Launch control, drift modes, and N-Track Manager cater track day antics, while refined interior, ambient lighting, and all-wheel composure remain ideal for daily driving. The result? An EV that's both a dynamic thrill machine and a practical family sedan. The 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N isn't just fast for an electric, it's fast, period. It blends exquisite aerodynamics, motorsport features, and contemporary tech into a streamlined EV package that's as fun as it looks. If you're chasing thrills without ditching everyday usability, this is your electric rocket. That's your lap around the Ioniq 6N track. Would you pick it over a Model 3 performance or save for something else? Drop a comment and let's talk torque. If you're charging up for more high-performance EV reviews, smash that like, tap the bell, and subscribe to Auto Snuff. Until the next ride, stay fast, stay forward vision, and keep it Auto Snuff.